23 minutes plus 2 laps to go. About time Blake Baggett seems to turn it up. And earlier today in qualifying practice, he looked so steady, just looked so strong. Oh, he's jumping into the 12 pack. We haven't seen that since qualifying practice. Wow.
I was watching the race because luckily with the TV coverage, I can come in and catch the 450 race, and he jumped that double. I turned the TV off. I was like, dude, I'm not jumping that thing.
Yeah, when we came around for our sight lap, me and Tedesco were talking about it right before we went out, and I told him he had it, and he told me he was a little on the older side, that he wasn't going for it. And I said, just follow me, we'll jump it. But yeah, it was super rutted, and the face was all kickered out. And I literally didn't plan on jumping at all the first moto, and then when I came around like the second or third lap, I don't know, I just sent it, and after that I just kept doing it.
Something happened to Dungey going back up Monster Alley.
Maybe his shifter's messed up, right? And he's trying to shift it into third gear
for the fast section. He is trying to reach down with his left hand over the triple and shift. His neck is against the handlebars. He should be out going to freestyle jumps next year. Takes the #1 spot. Boy, is Chad Reed rested and recovered after that vacation and a weekend off. He is fired up here in the #22. Oh! Reed launches! We got trouble! Chad Reed is down and down hard! Unbelievable for your series points leader. The intensity was too much. Are you kidding me? Chad Reed is back on the motorcycle? Wow. How can this be? That bike has got to be bent. How is he not hurt? He must have been 20, 30 feet up in the air, Jeff. See his team manager, Dave Osman, there. They were taking a look at it. It looks like the silencer, looked like the bars, everything was pretty clean. Listen to the crowd. Well, right there, see Intignap holds up Seeley. Oh! Down goes ROCZEN in a big one. Back through the pack, it looked like Stewart's made his way inside of the top 10. He's been fast and fluid all day long, but all of the heavy hitters are up front. Have it all dialed in is the #7 here. This is our SX Mo look of James Stewart going underneath of Justin Brayton over the triple. Stewart's the fastest rider on the track right now. He is absolutely flying. Oh, he can't take his normal line, but watch how he wheelies through this with so much speed.
There he goes! And the crowd roars its approval as Stewart now will set sail after ROCZEN. He's run on ROCZEN. This is your top 3. BARCIA, ROCZEN, and Stewart coming after second place.
Stewart needs to be patient through the whoops. No mistakes.
Got him! James Stewart on one of the best of that red dirt, too.
Oh, Dungey didn't take it. And
He
it's the
didn't
last
take
lap.
it.
So he's going to get penalized.
Wow. Well, I was counting there, guys. It's worth about 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's oh, Villapoto's probably going, dude, I got this.
There you go.
Oh, man. Dude, surely, I mean, he didn't take it earlier in the race, I don't think. The whole thing, they're going to sit there and talk about it. You forgot to take the Joker lane.
He's going what? The Joker lane.
Watch. Oh! Oh, man.
No. Not the Joker lane. Stewart! Oh, there's contact! Stewart shot right into his teammate.
It's not over.
Reedy! Oh, he missed him.
It ain't over, boys. We still got a lap to go.
Perfectly. And now Reed has to mount an attack. There it is. Oh, they're both down. They're both down. Where's Villapoto? There he goes. Ryan Villapoto is by. Dungey's in it.
Dungey gets by for second.
Reed gets by. Oh, my God. Dungey gets second. Pair of Hondas about to battle with the Yamaha closing in.
Yeah, Chad's going to need to pick it up. He's in the 51.7. His fastest time. Stewart was
Here
at
it is.
51.5.
There it is, Jeff. Right into Andrew Short. Chad Reed takes the lead away, and Short comes back. And here's Stewart with a big whip.
Watch Stewart to the inside.
Stewart inside, and Reed cuts back. Oh, these two have a lot of history. A lot of history between these two, and Short wants a piece of this as well.
Tell us about it. I mean, what happened?
They had the 2-for-1 special going on out there. So. No, I just tried to get it, but you know, I had my chance. You know, Chad got in on Andrew right there, and I knew I had a good opportunity to try to do it, and it was good. You know, when you're in the back, you know, you're just trying to stay up for the first few laps.